Sixth problem, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So they have given two circles. We have to draw two circles from the same center. Why? Because they are saying that they are concentric. Concentric means we have to draw two circles of radius 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter with from the same center, and we have to draw one tangent. We have to construct a tangent and we have to measure its length. Let us take the radius as 4 centimeter and draw a circle with 4 centimeter as its radius. Now again, let us take the radius as 6 centimeter and with the same center from which we have drawn the 4 centimeter circle, let us draw another circle with the same center with radius 6 centimeter. Now let us write steps of construction. So as we have already drawn two concentric circles, that are two circles with the same center. So let us write first step, draw two concentric circles with center O and radius is 1 and radi means it is 2. It is a plural form of radius, and radi 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let us mark any point on the circle and let us say this center as O and this point on the big circle as P. Now we will join these 2 points. Take a point P on large circle and join OP. For these 2 points, let us draw a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means we have to take more than half of this line and draw the arcs on its right side and on its left side. And from the other end, again we have to draw the arcs such that it should cut the previous arcs like this. Next, let us join these 2 points. This line is cutting this OP line at M. Next, in third point, we have to draw perpendicular bisector. So draw the perpendicular bisector of OP, which intersects it at M. Next, from this M, we have to take the radius as from M to O. Let us see. Next, same we have to check with P. As it is touching the P and the radius is same with O. Now with this center, let us draw another circle. The point where it is cutting the smaller circle, let it as Q. Taking M as center, and PM or MO as radius, draw a circle which intersects smaller circle at Q. So we are drawing a center, through a center we are drawing a circle which is intersecting the smaller circle at Q. Let us join this P and Q. So that we will get the required tangent. So this is this line PQ, this is the required tangent. Fifth point, join PQ, which is a tangent to the smaller
circle.
In triangle OPQ, proof. In triangle OPQ, we know that OP is 6 centimeter. OP is equals to 6 centimeter and OQ is equals to 4 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the value of PQ. So let us write hypotenuse square, that is OP square, is equals to opposite square. Opposite is PQ square plus OQ square. So here we know the value of OP, 6 square, is equals to PQ square plus OQ is 4 square. 6 square is 36, is equals to PQ square plus 4 square is 16. 16 goes to that side. So 36 minus 16 is equals to PQ square. So 36 minus 16 is 20, is equals to PQ square. So PQ is equals to square root of 20. PQ is equals to 4 into 5. We know the square root of 4 is 2. So PQ is equals to 2 into root 5. The value of root 5 is 2.236. So we can write 2 into 2.236. 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 3 are 6 plus 1, 7, 2 2 are 4. 0.22 are 4. So here, if we round it up to 1 decimal, then we get, for this 7 we will get small one. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4.5. Now let's verify whether we are getting 4.5 or not. So as you can see, we are getting 4.5.